Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to be the swaggiest person in the entire world. First you gotta do your daily spin, like always. So, what do I get? What do I get? Look! 75. Anyway, so here is what you have to do to start. Go to the beautifulest world ever. Go to Alden. Better not be full. Then load. Well, okay. Summons a gaster blaster and hugs him. Yes, that is what you do. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Just not gonna be swag if you don't do that. This room is full. No. Go in another world. Beautiful world. Now, this is how this is looking. Look how many people are just watching these. First, you need to customize your look with the most beautiful items. Here, I think the most beautiful item is this. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Okay, then you need to customize a little bit more. Here. Oh. Look, just look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Now, what you also need to do is go around Jamal Township screaming this. Look at him. Look at him. I'm beautiful. Or I'm gorgeous. I'm beautiful. Look. He's swag. Stone. Swag. So swag. And yes, just go around. And then what you need to do is go jamagram random people you don't even know saying your swag. This. Swagalicious. Oh, that is amazing. Swagalicious. Swag. Delicious. That is amazing. Yes. Oh, yeah. It's not even Halloween, so let's do that. Ooh, yeah, you got a jamagram. What does it say? You look cool. Oh, thank you. Look at this. Look how amazing. I got a compliment from Joyce44378. Look. That's right. Now, what you need to do is just act normal. And if you don't know what normal means, here, I'll give you an example. That's, look at this. Look at this. That is normal. That is how to be normal. Awesome. So you just got to say that and go around, and then you will be the swaggiest person ever. So, hope you enjoy. Goodbye.